Assalamualaikum all friends. All traffic sign test list. No overtaking. No motor vehicles. Step descent, ascent. Uneven road. Side road from left. Road narrows on both sides. End of dull carriageway. Traffic merges from the left. Deep. Cycle route ahead. Minimum speed. Maximum speed. Vehicles exceeding width prohibited. Vehicles exceeding length prohibited. Hump bridge. Crossroad. Turn left ahead. Bend to left. Tunnel. Staggered junction. T junction. No through road. Zebra crossing. Pedestrians ahead. No entry for vehicular traffic. Traffic merges from the right. Stop. Side road from right. No waiting. One-way traffic. Ahead only. No stopping. Road narrows on the left. Step descent. Bend to right. Turn right ahead. Road narrows on the right. No vehicles carrying explosives. Two-way traffic. Subscribe for more informative videos. Like, share and good comment.